Yamaha Timberwolf 250 won't start. This video provides information on how to fix a Yamaha Timberwolf 250 that will not start up. This troubleshooting guide is from the Factory Repair Manual. Download the complete Factory Repair Manual at 911manual.com. The digital download repair manual covers every aspect of maintenance, troubleshooting and repair, including what you should check if your Timberwolf 250 will not start. Instant download repair manuals are available for every year and model Yamaha ATV. The manual can be downloaded to your computer, tablet, or smartphone.